Hey everybody, it's Bubs and I'm back. This is actually going to be an updated video using the waveformers, and if you haven't seen the original video, I'm going to leave it down below and in the cards. That video gave a ton of information on how I install them on wet hair, the links, the products, etc. So this video is going to be an update on that one. And I mentioned before in that video that my hand was hurting a lot from the grip on those plastic rods that you get from the waveformers. One of you guys, a supporter, actually commented to add hair ties on it, and I thought that was a great idea. And guess what? I have elastic, okay? That's what I use to make my hair ties. So I'm just going to use this elastic to wrap around the handles. And I did get this elastic from Amazon. You can just get a huge roll for about $6-7, super cheap and affordable. If I can find it, I will link it down below. So now that is all set and I'm ready to add my waveformers. And this worked perfectly because my hand was not hurting while installing the waveformers. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to get it done in under 40 minutes. Yes, I said it. I've gotten it down to a science, okay, in under 40 minutes. You want to first start off with your hair pre-sectioned. My hair is in a blown out state, so it's a lot easier to section my hair out, but that is going to save you a ton of time. I didn't show you guys me sectioning my hair because you guys pretty much know how to section your hair out, but you want to make sure your sections are the same width as the waveformers. So the waveformer width is about an inch to an inch and a half. Do not go bigger than that because it will be so hard to get your hair through that waveformer. This process only took me about 15 minutes to do. So now for products. In the other video, I used both of these mousses, one on one side and one on the other. These are by the Main Choice. Somebody actually suggested to use both of them together. And I said, oh yeah, I'm gonna do that. Good idea. So I'm pairing the Pink Lemonade Collection mousse and also the Peach Black Tea mousse together from the Main Choice. The Pink Lemonade mousse gives me more hold, and the Peach Tea mousse gives my hair a flexible hold. So I'm going to use a pump of each mousse on the section. I can easily detangle the section because my hair is not stiff. So I'm going to detangle the section thoroughly. I'm going to twist at my roots. Make sure you're twisting your roots to make sure that the hook latches onto all your hair strands. Now, this is what I did wrong in that video. And this is what many of you guys probably are doing wrong too, and why your hair is getting ripped out. I was trying to pull my hair without bending that waveformer down. As you can see, I am moving that waveformer down and then sliding that rod through. So I'm going to show you this again. I'm adding the mousse, I'm detangling, twisting the root, add your hook to lock it in place, move the waveformer down, and then slide it all the way down to the root. And then you can pull the rod right through. I'm pulling that waveformer down to the root and then sliding the rod through. For me, I did not get any hair pulling. My hair wasn't getting ripped out. I wasn't getting tension as well. And this was key, okay? This saved me so much time because I finally was doing it right. And this process went by so smoothly.
But name your price in the beginning. If it ever gets more expensive than the price.
I'm going to use gel on the other side. I'm using this gelato by the Main Choice from their Cheers collection. I'll have a review on this really soon, but I'm going to apply some of this per section and detangle the section. I'm going to add a little bit on my ends, twist the root to ensure that that hook locks on your strands. I'm pulling that waveformer down, and then I'm going to slide that rod right through.
Your name, get out of there. Thus, Africa.
What's the cost of $1 if I got no sense, no direction, no sign of his presence, no?
Now I am completely finished, and I did actually let these set overnight, and after about 12-13 hours my hair was still damp. So I went underneath the dryer for about an hour and a half and my hair was fully dry. I don't know, something about these waveformers, I find that it takes a little longer for my hair to dry, and it's kind of weird because I did this style on blown out hair and it shouldn't take that long, but it did. And another great tip While taking these out, I'm just pulling them at the ends and they're coming right out. I'm not getting any snagging. It's not gonna snag. You're not gonna get any breakage. I'm telling you, this is the best way. As you can see, I'm getting the same results I've gotten before, but my hair is a lot fluffier, I would say, because I did this on blown out hair. I did give my hair a trim. My hair is shiny. My hair looks really good on both sides. I am going to add a little oil mist. This one's by Diva Curl, just to add a little shine, you know, enhance the smell of my hair. But my hair looks really good, but I will say I still like the side with the mousse. I just proved myself right. I knew I was gonna like that side a lot more. When I use gel with styles like these, my hair feels super weighed down. I didn't like the way my hair felt on the other side, but my hair was so soft, it was so moisturized. I had hold on both sides, but as you can see, as time is a brewing, okay, my hair is slowly but surely getting so fluffy. I'm losing all my definition and I'm taking time separating the curls. If it isn't separating easily, if it isn't coming apart, I will just leave it alone. But I'm able to separate each section pretty easily.
Could I have all the dollars, but you'd have my name. I would have all the fortune with my soul in flames, but I don't wanna lose my soul, because it costs too much to get here. Whoa, I don't wanna lose my soul. Christ died on the cross to get it.
And this is pretty much the look. I was going to get all dolled up, you know, add my makeup, get a little glam and stuff. And then I realized that my hair was getting so frizzy every step of the way. It looks good. Trust me, it looks amazing, but you can see the frizz is coming about and it is what it is. I think that wave formers are best done on wet hair because your hair can set in place a lot better. Doing it on a blowout is a no-no. No, never doing it again. It was a waste of time because when I decided I wanted to add makeup, my hair was just reverting back, which is cool, but I still look good, you know, skin's glowing, you know, natural radiance out here. Let me know if this video is helpful for you. I wanted to do a follow-up video for you guys because that first video was just a first impressions, and now I think I got this down to a science. I think I do. Let me know if you've gotten your hands on some wave formers. Let me know if you're going to be trying this style out. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Back for me, I don't want to lose my soul, because it costs too much to get here. Whoa, not my soul. Hell no, hell no.
Get out of there.
What's the cost of $1 if I got fake friends? Them come around when I'm spending. I'm just a means to an end. Oh, let's not forget my family, cause nobody's exempt. I fought too hard to keep hell from around me, to fool up and be pimped. So I rebuke you, Satan. You have no power here. I'd give all my dollars if heaven is my career. What's the cost of $1 if I got no control? If I got no future? If I got no soul? But I don't wanna lose my soul, because it costs too much to get here. My soul, Christ died on the cross to get it back for me. I don't wanna lose my soul, because it costs too much to get here. Whoa, I don't wanna lose my soul. Hell no, hell no.
Get out of there.